You've probably heard of protein loading, carb cycling, even intermittent fasting. But have you ever heard of Fibermaxxing? The gut reset trend that's quietly transforming how people feel, think, and even look? This isn't another diet. It's a science-backed way to heal your gut, balance your hormones, and supercharge your energy naturally. Let's unpack what Fibermaxxing really is and why it might just be the missing key to your health reset. So what exactly is Fibermaxxing? Fibermaxxing is the practice of intentionally increasing your daily fiber intake, not just a little, but strategically, to feed and strengthen the trillions of microbes in your gut. These microbes, called your gut microbiome, are like your internal ecosystem. When you feed them properly with the right kinds of fiber, soluble, insoluble, and prebiotic fibers, they produce powerful compounds like short-chain fatty acids. These help heal inflammation, balance blood sugar, and improve digestion. The term Fibermaxxing started in wellness and longevity circles online, but its roots go way back to traditional diets rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Think of it as modern science catching up with ancient wisdom. Why is everyone suddenly talking about fiber like it's the new superfood? Because most people are dangerously under-consuming it. The average person today eats less than 15 grams of fiber per day, when we actually need around 30 to 40 grams for optimal health. This deficiency leads to sluggish digestion, fatigue, poor skin, and even brain fog. But people who Fibermaxx report something remarkable: bloating gone, energy through the roof, cravings disappearing, weight loss without counting calories, and perhaps most surprising, improved mood. Because your gut actually produces over 90% of your serotonin, your feel-good chemical. When your gut is happy, your mind follows. Here's the real science behind why Fibermaxxing works. When you eat fiber-rich foods, like oats, flax, chia, beans, or even garlic, they don't just add bulk. They become food for your good bacteria, prebiotics. These bacteria then ferment the fiber, creating compounds that strengthen your intestinal lining, lower systemic inflammation, help control appetite hormones like ghrelin and leptin, and even detoxify your liver naturally. In short, fiber feeds your microbiome, and your microbiome feeds you. It's a positive feedback loop that most modern diets completely ignore. Wondering if you might need a Fibermaxx reset? Here are common signs your gut is crying for help. You feel bloated often, even after healthy meals. You're tired after eating instead of energized. Your bowel movements are irregular or incomplete. You crave sugar or processed foods constantly. You've developed skin issues, allergies, or mood swings out of nowhere. These are all signs of a starved microbiome, one that's running on low fiber, high stress, and processed food. If you're ready to start Fibermaxxing, don't go from zero to hero overnight. Start small and build up gradually. Here's how to do it safely. Step 1. Add one high-fiber food per meal. For example, oats at breakfast, lentils at lunch, veggies and brown rice at dinner. Step 2. Hydrate. Fiber needs water to work its magic. Aim for 2 to 3 liters daily. Step 3. Mix up your sources. Soluble fibers, like chia, oats, psyllium husk, soothe your gut. Insoluble fibers, like leafy greens, grains, keep things moving. Step 4. Add prebiotic boosters like garlic, bananas, and onions. Step 5. Track your progress. Notice your digestion, energy, and even sleep improve week by week. Within 10 to 14 days, most people report lighter digestion, better focus, and yes, a flatter belly. I've seen people go from constant bloating and fatigue to waking up feeling lighter, focused, and calm, all by resetting their gut through Fibermaxxing. One person described it perfectly. It felt like someone turned the lights back on inside my body. And that's the truth. When your gut is clean, your body starts healing itself. You're not just eating more fiber, you're retraining your metabolism to thrive again. So, if you've tried every detox or supplement and still feel off, it might be time to reset from the inside out. Start your Fibermaxxing journey today with real food, real fiber, and real results. Take the free gut healing quiz. Find out your gut type and how to fix it naturally. The link is in the description and also pinned in the top comment below. If this video helped you understand your gut better, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next video in this healing series. Your best health doesn't start with restriction. It starts with reconnection. See you in the next one.